Today I'm going to be taking apart a Dell Inspiron 15-inch 5000 series laptop. We are taking this apart to pull the hard drive to see if we can retrieve data for a customer. So I'm going to start with taking out all the screws. These seem to be held in on the back. Sometimes screws don't come all the way out, which is fine. Some of them do. And these screws so far all appear to be the same size, so I'm not worried about keeping them separate. Sometimes if they're different sizes, I'll draw a diagram of where they came from, but these seem to be the same size. Okay, so we got the screws out. I'm gonna head for one of my trusty guitar picks to open up the laptop. I use guitar picks more than anything else to help me open up laptops. So we're just gonna find a place here that we can get it in on the side and just kind of go around and kind of pry up and down as you're moving the pick around the computer. Sometimes these back corners can be a little hard. If you get most of it and then close it, and flip it back over, you can kind of pry it with your hand. There we go. And so there is no full-size drive in here. Let's see. This is the Wi-Fi card, so this has got to be the SSD. So I will unscrew this little guy here, and this screw is different. I'll remember that that one goes for the drive, but here's the little solid-state drive, and I will pop that into a little USB converter and plug it into my tech machine, and hopefully we'll be able to retrieve data for this customer. Okay, thanks a lot.